Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to apply the Huda Beauty foundation, which is like a liquid luminous matte foundation. It is quite tricky to use this foundation, so you must follow this tutorial in order to get the details. I am using in a setting spray from Faces Canada. Take the back of the brush, okay, and just activate this, okay, and once you're done, deposit the rest on the side like this, okay. Just activate it so that it is now blendable. Now again you will activate it the second time with the side of the brush. So you will take some, see, I'm using feather touch to even pick the foundation. So what I'm doing is aise dheere dheere I'm trying to take it, and whatever is now here has to be very lightly but very rapidly applied. Now even if, see again how I'm activating it, I'm not picking in any chunks, and I don't need too much foundation. This is just for, you know, the video purposes that I've taken so much product. You don't need so much product, just one pump. Shake it, put in a pump, and activate it with the back of your brush first. Completely simplify it, and then feather touch ke saath blend it out, and whatever remains you apply it. There's a myth that Huda Beauty foundation is to be used only for special occasions. That's a big fat myth, because honestly this foundation is suitable for you even on the daily, if you are a model or something. Because yeah, models do wear it. Now I'm simplifying it with the brush continuously, and whatever is remaining, with a feather touch I'm putting it on all over. I understand this part wherein you would say that the brush marks are too much, and if I may, yes, they are. Sponge which is damp, okay, but should not be wet, okay, and just very lightly, as if you're barely touching anything. See, I'm barely touching anything. So just like that, haven't applied concealer, you have to apply the foundation all over your face. I'm gonna use some brown, grabbing a shade called Bombay. If you only have a blender, how will you do it? Because सबके पास brush नहीं होता है. So instead of using a brush, I'm just going to use my finger. Instead of using the back of the brush, I'm just using my finger to kind of simplify it. Once it is simplified, I'm going to take the damp blender, blend it here, blend it outside, blend it here, blend it outside, simplify it, and then see, you can see the product, how it is being placed. With the feather touch, just put on this product. That's about it. This is literally the final product, and honestly this is the kind of finishing that will, it's like butter on your skin, and this is the kind of finishing that will make you stand out in a crowd. If I am to suggest you just one product in your vanity that you can just apply on your under eye, manipulate it, make it into a medium coverage to a high coverage as per your convenience, just one product if you want to carry, it would be the Huda Beauty foundation. Because boy, its finishing is unreal. It is beautiful. It's like you are adding up a filter in real life, and this is suitable for all skin types and all seasons. Very important. So ensure that you use it the right way. You do not make obvious mistakes, like not using a good moisturizer will make this foundation crack on your face. So ensure that you are using a thick and a good moisturizer. And then if you do not know blending with a brush, you can blend it with this. A setting spray is very good. After your moisturizer nicely seeps in, your sunscreen nicely seeps in, you can just use a setting spray, let it seep in completely. When it is just a little bit damp, when the moisture is there, you start off with applying your Huda Beauty foundation. This is the kind of finish, and the finishing is just to die for. It's so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you still face any problem in applying this foundation, do leave a comment or a DM, and we will work it out together. I think that problem is pretty much solvable. Bye bye.